High blood pressure, but your meds aren't enough? Sleep apnea could be the hidden trigger. Every time you stop breathing at night, your blood pressure spikes and may stay elevated all day. Don't just treat the numbers. Test your sleep. With cpapRx services, you can test at home, get a prescription, and stay monitored. Start with a paid home sleep test and see if sleep apnea is driving your hypertension. Take control of your heart health. Get your sleep checked on cpapRx.